to address each of those requests, right from providing links to external resources to providing dedicated notes to YouTube videos which really require them. Vamsi Bhavani has come with something new. Guess what? Vamsi Bhavani app is now live on Play Store, where you can read notes of latest YouTube videos for which notes was really required. And then you can contribute to Vamsi Bhavani channel if you really think the videos of Vamsi Bhavani channel really matter to you, and much more. So I'll be waiting to see your reviews on Play Store board. So you are now on the live walkthrough of Vamsi Bhavani app. So this is how it looks. So first of all, we'll go on to the notes section. So once you click on the notes section, you will see something of this type of interface. So once you click this load button, so as you can see, Vamsi Bhavani is getting your notes ready. So in this way, we'll be providing notes to you directly on the app, and these are the notes which I have made just for a testing purpose. So if you see the first one, artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning. So this is a heading and it was published on 14 January. So in this way you will be seeing the interface. So once you click on any one of them, so then you will be able to see the notes. So this is all about notes to a video. And coming back to external links to resources, so if you see block direct web view, so in this if you see it's just link. According to the link, so this interface will provide you a direct access or direct entry to the link of the resource. So in this way you will be able to go directly onto the link without opening any of your browser. So this is how the notes tab looks like. So once you go back, now you will be able to see a contribute tab. So here you can contribute to Vamsi Bhavani channel if you really think videos of Vamsi Bhavani really matter to you. So here you can enter your name, the amount you want to contribute, and you can pay. Once you click pay, for example, if I say my name is Sai and I go next, I'll enter for example and done. So if I want to pay, I'll just click pay. So you will directly go on to this UPI integration where you can pay with any of those which are visible, and those are all UPI integrations. So you can pay with any of this UPI. So this is how the contribute tab looks like. Coming to channel, so here let's head on to Vamsi Bhavani YouTube channel. So from here you will be directly able to go to YouTube channel from the app, and this is how the channel tab works. And coming about to the about tab, see, so here you will be able to see about like the information of Vamsi Bhavani channel and the reason for making this app and much more. So this is how the Vamsi Bhavani app looks like. So please download it and check how it works. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.